doing this, alright? Cause I remember my shit got. I'm doing the same thing I did. It's called roasting while freestyling, alright? So I'm gonna be roasting people while freestyling. Cause my other one, I made like 3 MMOs and like a couple of videos. Then my other videos, bro, them just got deleted. Them just could have hit 1K on my YouTube channel, bro. But that shit deleted, bro. I don't know how to get it back, so I'm just redo everything I did. Like, I don't know what I did in my video, but let's think of it. But I know what I did in the current videos that was remade. This is gonna be a 30-second video. 30 second is 30 minute and something video. And then I'm gonna stop it. Then I'm gonna do another one. And it'll be 30 seconds and something. Then I'm gonna make it 1 hour J. Alright. Yo, I forgot to say yo. kingmoneyk14 vlogs back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing a freestyle video. Roasting edition. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Like a roach, like a pig. You got a gap. You know what I'm saying? You shoot water through your gap. You know I can't hear you. My shit's on mute. You got a big ass booty. But I want that. No, I don't. You ugly. You shit. You like a roach. You ain't like an acorn. You look like a peanut. Know what I'm saying? Like, you feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? You feel what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying, right? Hey. Yeah! Man, sorry, my ugly bitch, bro. Like, I'm about to roast the fuck out y'all niggas, like. Come on, now, like. They even trying to do that to her, like. That's a little girl, bro. That shit ugly as fuck. Look like she got the mission. You know what I'm saying? She look like a crackhead on the sidewalk. You know what I'm saying? She got a big ass nose. You know what I'm saying? Got the low ass AirPods. You know what I'm saying? She got a dad hat on. You know what I'm saying? She mad as fuck, but she thought I could hear. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I do not want you see you fuck a bitch, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, they trying to talk to me, nigga. I can't even hear your dumb ass. Like, what's in the dark? Like, these bitches that be in the dark, they gonna show their face. They so insecure, they can't even show their face, bro. Like, that bitch in black and gray, like. What the fuck? Like, shut it, black and gray. Like, this look like a lame. Like, what the fuck got a bonnet on? Nigga, you're gay. I told you bitches wear bonnets. Your ass look like a condom. They're like dusty as fuck. Looks like that shit was there since 1998. Like, Alexa, next beat.
Track beats from Apple Music.
Alexa, play NBA Youngboy trap beats aggressive.
Alright, this is Youngboy Never Broke Again from Spotify.
Alexa, play NBA Youngboy trap beats.
Okay, Beat to Trap Love Type Radio from Spotify.
She the best bitch. Alexa, play trap beats on Apple Music.
Okay, Trapeze Radio from Spotify.
Alexa, play trap beats on Apple Music.
Trap beats from Apple Music.
Yeah, I'm about to roast you. You got some crusty ass fingers. I ain't gonna cap to you. Like, you need to put some lotion on them hoes. You know what I'm saying? You some ashy ass lips. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, you like a troll. You look like an ant. You look like a roach. Yeah. You think I said? This is frozen. Yeah. Just think I can't hear what she's saying? Nope. My shit on mute. She put on lipstick. I think she want fuck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna after this free song. I'm gonna rest them up, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't like fat bitches. I only like skinny hoes. You know what I'm saying? I don't like ugly hoes. You know what I'm saying? If you fat and you ugly, I don't want you. Like, I don't. You fat as shit. Like, I don't like fat hoes. I just like skinny hoes. You know what I'm saying? I don't like fat hoes. I like skinny hoes. I don't like ugly hoes. I like pretty girls. You know what I'm saying? I don't like white girls. I like light skin. You know what I'm saying? I don't discriminate, but I just don't like them. Damn, it's cold as fuck. Like, cold as shit here. This is on some weird shit. Like, she like a lame. You know what I'm saying? Ugly ass bitch. Like, you ain't showing your face, like, you weird. Like, parents look like a goldfish. You look like a shark in the water. Like, she think I really give a fuck that she's scared. I don't give a shit. Huh? Yo, bro? What? You got something on your face, bro. Shit! That one bitch all came and fucking skipping me. But if you're 15 years old, I do not want to. That bitch ugly. That's why she ain't show her face yet. She think I can hear, but I don't. She look like a roach. 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 Nigga stick at face. I gotta do something. Ugly ass little nigga, you gon' sue. Ugly ass bitch. Ugly ass bitch. Like ugly ass bitch. Make sure you're selling. Like I don't wanna see your ceiling. Like I don't wanna even see your ceiling. Like ugly ass bitch. Ugly ass bitch. Ugly ass bitch. Like yeah. Ugly ass bitch. I don't wanna see you. Look at this. I do not wanna see you. I know your room is dirty as fuck. Like I know your room is dirty as fuck. I do not date no 15 years old. No. Only you date 19 years olds, 20, and 21, and up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Man. You know what I'm saying? Dirty and silly. Dirty and niche. And she has ammo. You look like a roach with top dirty shoes. Get your ass a job. Start asking for money online. Like, stop being in the dark. Like, get your ass in the light. Like, get your ass a job. Like, get your ass a 9 to 5. Your ass like a roach with a cup on. With some J's on his feet. Like an ant. Get your ass a job. Like, stop showing me paper. Bitch, I know you're a vapor. Like, I don't like Caucasians. Bitch, you is Asian. Like, get the fuck out of the dark. Like, is you ugly? Is you ugly? Like, is you ugly? You ugly? Like, is you ugly? That bitch ugly, right? She ugly as fuck, nigga. Imagine you have your car open and then you leave your car open and you go in your crib and then niggas steal your car and you come back outside, that shit missing, you be crying on the ground. Damn, I got robbed. Like, that bitch like a real slide. Dirty ass room. Get your ass a shower. Get out my face. You look like a roach. You look like a bum. You look like the sun. You look like a mummy. You know what I'm saying? Just call me a bum. This time I'm dressing better than you. You say I'm ugly. This ain't ugly. Ugly as fuck. You ain't even showing your face, but you call me ugly. Like, this call me ugly for, like, bitch, you not even showing your face. Like, how you call me ugly and you not even showing your face? You in the dark. Like, you showing your ceiling. Like, bitch, you only got mercy. Why you keep talking about me? Like, get your ass a job. Stop asking for money online. Know what I'm saying? That shit hit, right? Yeah. I know y'all is cold as fuck right now. How cold it is outside. Yeah, I'm talking to both of y'all. Hey, bro. Like, niggas headbutting the screens now? Yeah, like, so, let me stop. I'm roasting people while freestyling. Nah, like only the ugly ones. Like I don't know how old you is. Like so, like yo, boy. Niggas like, hey bro, you talking to me? You talking to a man, nigga? I'm like, no, you right. That's like a ninja turtle. Yours look like Master Splinter. No shield, no shot, nigga. That's like a nail. Know what I'm saying? You look like Gary the Snail. Know what I'm saying? I was on that shot. Yeah, they don't even know, bro. Like, I can't even hit him. Like, I think she got a big booty. Like, yeah, she got to think of like. I think she wanna fuck me like. I think she in the closet like. I don't eat off people that's dirty. You probably got germs. I don't give a fuck about you reporting me, nigga. Like, you think I give a fuck about you reporting me? Like, I don't care, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Room dirty as shit. That's why she hot shit on her bed. That's why she ain't showing her face. Cause she ugly as shit. She got a big ass full head. No, 5 head. She like a roach. She look like a man. No, a man. Nah, a train. That's a dude. I don't know what you see in her. That's a man. Like, this way you keep looking at me like you ugly as shit. Take that makeup off. Y'all actually think I'm trash, nigga. Like, I'm gonna freestyle. Like, so dirty ass hands out the camera, bro. Oh, we gonna fight. Like, I'm gonna break your kneecaps. I'm off of that what? And off of that lean. I'm popping a prick. I'm popping a bean. You know what I'm saying? Shawty said she wanna fuck. I said, nah, I don't wanna fuck. She said, you want. And I said, nah, I'm half a prick. I'm half a lean. Like, shit, half a big. I got a black with a bim on it. A black with a red bag. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That bitch ugly. But that bitch fat as fuck. I'm gonna just use that fat bitch. That shit